Hi everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and this is my Junk Journal July 2023 journal. I actually made this journal a long time ago and didn't know what to do with it because I was just kind of experimenting with totally out of my style papers and pages, and then I didn't really quite know what to do with it, so I thought this is the perfect opportunity. Junk Journal July would be the perfect opportunity to use it. So there's a lot of pages in here. I might actually be able to get 2 Junk Journal Julys into this one book. But here are the prompts for 2023, and this is put on by Meg Journals and Get Messy Art. And the first prompt is good vibes. And being born in 1959, I grew up in the 60s and early 70s. And when I saw good vibes, I immediately thought of Peter Max psychedelic style font. I've already written it out in pencil. And the psychedelic colors, and also, of course, the Beach Boys' Good Vibrations. So I've started with this. I'm going to color it in, and we'll go from there. I recently got all these neat colored Sharpies at Dollar Tree, but I don't think they're psychedelic enough. The colors aren't psychedelic enough. I got to come up with something else. So I do have some brush pens that these are kind of psychedelic colors, much more so than the muted tones I just showed you. And so I'm hoping they still work. The green one still works. So I think I will go ahead and try to color in this green, each letter a different color, and I think this will work out pretty good. I'm just going to use my acrylic paint markers, but I don't even think they are psychedelic enough. You got to get those letter shapes just so in order for them to look like, hippie-ish. So we got that. Let's see, let's go for orange next. If I can't erase these pencil marks, then I will probably go over it in either maybe black or even white marker. And the last one we'll do blue. And then I'll do the other word off camera. Okay, so that's how that looks so far. And now we'll do the vibes off camera. Okay guys, so it actually took me several tries before I got it to where I felt like it was good enough. Good vibes. And I think I'm going to actually skip over this page and put my good vibes vision board maybe like this. Good vibes. Just like that. Yeah. Alright, so I actually decided against doing a good vibes vision board, and I'm going to use my circle little ruler thingy here, Circle Master template, to make the flower power hippie flowers that I used to have all over my wall growing up. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to get my pencil back, and I'm going to draw some flowers. And I'm going to draw some big ones. Well, I can't be too close if it's going to be that big. Let's do this big. There's one. And these flowers have petals that kind of don't really touch each other. And it's going to be hard to make them all the same. but it was they were kind of like that. And then they touched like sort of maybe right here, but there was a space here. I wish I could get them all to be like exactly the same, but I know that's going to be impossible. I wonder, oh, I hear thunder. I wonder if there's a formula. That petal, I feel like that one's too big, bigger than these. Oh boy. Well, that one's going to be smaller. But you get the idea. I don't know if you can even see it actually. You might have to wait until I color it before you can see it. Kind of like that. I don't know if you can see it, but I need to refine it a little bit. And then I'll probably make another one here. And maybe a little smaller. Down here. And then I might be able to make some little tiny ones. So remember, this one's smaller. I'm trying to remember if they had a certain number of petals, but I don't think it matters. Oops. And we got two. I'm definitely going to go back off camera and perfect them and try to make them more even sized. And then I'll come back and draw some little tiny ones. What I have so far, it's not perfect. I messed up here and kind of around the circle a little bit, but I think it's a pretty good copy of the flowers that I used to have on my wall. And now I'm just going to figure out what to do here. I might just do some color swirls, or I'm going to do a couple little more flowers, and then we'll see from that. And that'll be my good vibes prompt number 1. So here is my final spread for good vibes. I think it does look pretty psychedelic. I made a lot of mistakes and my hand was not so steady. But I think I achieved the goal of doing a late 60s, early 70s kind of vibe there. And I won't say it's my favorite spread that I've ever done, but I've completed the Good Vibes prompt. So I am looking forward to seeing what other people have come up with for Good Vibes. And I still might do a Good Vibes mood board too, actually. So stay tuned for that. Hope you all are happy and healthy, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.